Looking to save time on laundry? You get a faster washing performance from this Beko washing machine. Enjoy a wash cycle that saves you time without compromising on the quality of the results. AquaTech gives you up to 50% faster washing that's also up to 50% more gentle, so every garment comes out looking great. It replaces vigorous drum movements with powerful water action to deliver a wash that's kinder to your clothes. By introducing steam at the end of the cycle, SteamCure reduces creases to help you save time on ironing. Because it has Bluetooth connectivity, you can use the HomeWhiz app to control the appliance from your smart devices.